We're at 1411 Poppy Avenue. This is offered by Barron's Property Managers, located off of Barrancas. We're entering through the front door here into our living room and dining area. We do have original hardwood floorings throughout, original moldings and doors. You can see our swing door to the kitchen. So there's that front door we just walked in through. Now if we walk through the living area, here is our kitchen, just to the left here. We do have a breakfast nook, and off of our kitchen, we do have our laundry room and back door access. So here's that laundry area. Through this door here is our backyard. So we have nice, good space. You can see our detached garage there as well. So heading back in, we'll go through the kitchen and we are back in the dining room. You can see our swing door. Now we'll go down this short hallway and we'll come to our bedrooms and bathroom. To our immediate right, we have our bathroom. We have a nice shower tub combo. Behind this main door, we do have a closet as well. To our immediate left is a storage closet. Here is the first of the two bedrooms. So this is on the back left of the home. You can see our closet space there as well. Heading back out. And this is the second and largest bedroom. So this is facing the front of the home. We've got lots of window lighting. There's our closet space there. Heading back out now. Again, this is 1411 Poppy Avenue. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath, available at 850-934-2588. You can also view it on our website at barronspm.com.